Hi friends, let me show you these beautiful LED string lights, patio lights that I received for reviewing purposes. This is 100 feet string of lights, okay, so you get 2 extra lights if for any reason you have to change some of them. A user manual, and as you can see, every light has this hole on top of it, so you can hang them wherever you want. You will connect them to any electric outlet, and you can connect another string in the end of this one, so you can put together 2 or 3 strings. So we're going to install it and let you know how it looks. Thank you. We are going to put the string here in our terrace, okay? As you can see, they look beautiful in this terrace, okay? It's not even dark and they already look perfect. Very nice. Imagine having here a table, a sofa. This is a great, nice light for any open space. We'll see you later in the night. Thank you. Now let me show you how nice the lights look in the terrace at night. Look how beautiful the terrace looks. How beautiful the lights look, and you could have any kind of gathering here with these nice lights, and you can put 2 strings or 3, one after the other, so you can cover large spaces. So if you want to put light in an open space in your house, in your office, in your patio, in your ranch, this is a great option.